When you look ahead, there's a car that looks out for you, improving the efficiency of your work and offering a blueprint for success. All these while thinking about your life and safety. Not just a means to go from A to B, but a partner who guides your way to success. We are Hyundai Commercial Vehicles. As with all great achievements, our humble beginning started with a brave first step. Starting from manufacturing small buses, we built engines with our own technology. And finally, one of the world's most advanced production lines. Our passion and endeavor have no limit.
Well, I was quite impressed by the way it looks. It was very quiet. It has this intelligent, smart, future way look.
So now we take a new leap towards being recognized as a global top brand also in the commercial vehicle business. Last year, Hyundai Motor Company has exported commercial vehicles in about 110 countries. And now, in addition to strengthen our competitiveness in the existing markets, we will also accelerate in entering into advanced markets and newly emerging markets as well.
Going beyond #1 in Korea to be recognized as one of the global top 5 brands, Hyundai Commercial Vehicles is making our way to the forefront. Getting ahead of others requires winning the battle against ourselves.
The design keywords of Hyundai Commercial are reasonability, originality, and reliability. For the design of Hyundai Commercial Vehicles, we pursue to implement a powerful and structural exterior, as well as a driver-oriented and tailor-made interior.
As a true global automotive brand, we build cars that run in any terrain and function in any climate.
Hyundai Commercial Vehicle is focusing its research and development efforts on 3 major areas. So #1 priority is to focus on our customers' profitability, with the major cornerstones of fuel efficiency and reliability. The second area is to focus on our advanced safety technologies. And #3 is to leverage our technological leadership regarding fuel cell and battery electric drivetrains towards an ecological zero-emission society.
현대 상용차는 자율주행 및 공집주행 등 미래 신기술 개발로 상용차 고객의 안전과 운송 사업의 효율성을 높이기 위해 노력하고 있습니다.
The fuel that keeps us moving forward is our endless commitment to becoming your companion in a brighter future. Our commitment to technological prowess extends to the excellent service and care we provide. A good car should be followed by even better service and care. From the test drive to customer service after purchase, we provide the highest level of care and service, even before you know you need it.
С компанией Hyundai мы сотрудничаем более 20 лет. Я думаю, что это без лишних слов является подтверждением надежности и уверенности компании Hyundai. Мы получаем в первую очередь это и сервисное оборудование, и оперативное получение запчастей по необходимости. Мы получаем от наших партнеров все, что мы хотим.
In every aspect of automobiles, we do not settle on just being good. We strive to exceed all expectations. People think that what we make are big vehicles. But we believe what we build and make is the power of support and the passion that fuels you. In the end, what we create is the greatest partner for you and the world. Partner in every way, Hyundai Motor Company.